When you call HomeTech, you receive fast air conditioning service when you need it most, today. Did you know that HomeTech services over 500 air conditioning systems per week in the Sarasota and Manatee County areas? And we've been doing this for over 32 years. Same-day air conditioning service is what we're known for. When our technician pulls into your driveway, you can expect him to be friendly, knowledgeable, and efficient. That's just one more reason to call HomeTech.
We had an air conditioning problem. It was not working this morning. And this young man was very knowledgeable, knew exactly what to do, and now we're back under air again.
It's our job to get your air conditioning system up and running as soon as possible. So call our service hotline or schedule online. That's Service That Works by HomeTech.